Hi, my name is Breeson with TotalScope. Today I'm going to walk you through how to register for our service, starting from the beginning. You can see in the top page of our home screen is a button that says register. Go ahead and click on that and we will get started. And what we're doing here is basically going through the hierarchy of your company. You can see us putting in just a fake company, for example. This is fairly easy. Name, address, city, state, zip code. That's very straightforward. At the bottom, you have a couple questions. Very straightforward. Your approximate amount of roofs per month, what you primarily do, residential or commercial, and then your company logo and contingency agreement. You can also see on the right the window that popped up. It's just a helpful tip to kind of explain this to you. If you have questions, you can always read that and it'll explain what we're trying to do on each page. So now we're moving on to the company admin. This is just a description we use for the person that's in control of your company and all the jobs. Essentially what it is it allows people to submit jobs, all of your salespeople, and the company admin will be able to see all of them for all of your salespeople, all of the sales managers, every job that's been done, every job that is in progress, and it also allows this person to control the payment method. They're the only one who will have access to it. Essentially, it's just the all access privilege for whoever's in your company that would have that role, whether it's the president, the office admin, a high up manager. So that's all that is. So very simple. In here, you just put in your name, your phone number, your email, and your password. So this will be the first person we sign up. Okay, moving on, we're going to start entering the sales managers. This is set up in a hierarchy-based system, and we understand that every roofing company is different. They're all set up different, but in our case, what we decided to go with was top-down, and it's basically an access issue. So if you add a sales manager, you can add salespeople under that sales manager, and that team will be allowed to see the jobs they're working on. So the sales manager can see all of his team's current jobs, but the salespeople cannot see each other. So in this case, you would enter a sales manager. This can be the same as the admin if you need it to be, but basically you are going to put salespeople under them. So if your company is structured that way, just go ahead and add the sales manager here. And then we'll move on to adding sales reps. These are obviously the people who are out there talking to customers, signing them up, scoping roofs, doing jobs. These people, as you can see at the bottom, once you enter their information, you can add as many as you want. And then later, these people can be assigned to sales managers. But you can also add these people in the future. Okay, next we're going to the claim handler, and we use this term for something that we consider a set position. It doesn't have to be a set claim handler. It can be your sales reps, that's fine. If you don't use it, you can skip it. But what the claim handler is whoever is going to take our estimates and send them to insurance and negotiate with insurance. Now, obviously, some companies use their salespeople, but the privilege that this gives is that since they're not a salesperson, if they're a claim handler, they will get every copy of the estimates we return. They can look in the files to some degree, but mostly they just get an automatic email every time a salesperson submits a job. We complete it and we send it back. They'll get a copy so that it's in their folder and they can send it off to insurance and they can negotiate. If you don't structure your company this way, that's fine. Just go ahead and skip it for now and you can always add it later. So here we are, the payment information, the final step. It's very straightforward. Enter your credit card information, enter the expiration date, and the CVC. Now, once you do this, we will not be able to see it on our end, so don't worry. And your credit card is only billed after you decide to submit something to us. So if you want to put your project in a folder on our website and keep it there for a month or two until you get all the information, nothing happens. Nothing happens until you decide to submit it to us, and then your credit card will be charged. Next, we have the client code of conduct. Now, this is some key points we wanted to get across, but there's also a terms of service available on our website. They're also very straightforward. Hopefully it's not something that anyone has an issue with. Don't waive deductibles, don't commit fraud, make sure you're licensed, make sure you have insurance. So just click through all these. You only have to do this once, and once you're done, your submit button will become active and you can register your company. Once you're finished submitting on our website, you'll get emails. Like I said, everyone who signed up gets an email. Open it, and it's very straightforward. It gives you a link to download the app. You can do it in the Google Play Store or on iTunes. So go ahead and do that if you wish. You can also submit everything from the desktop, but this is the link to the app for your phone. And you can set up your password and everything else as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at contact@totalscope.com, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.